Hi guys, hope you are all well. So you are joining us today at Langford Lake Nature Reserve in Steeple, Langford, which is in Wiltshire. We've got Ross with us today and Steve, and we're going to have a walk around the nature reserve, hopefully maybe see a little bit of wildlife as we go around. There's a map of where the nature reserve is. You can see there that it's very close to Salisbury. And it's completely free parking, but strictly no dogs because there is birds nesting on the ground. So I'm afraid dogs have to stay at home, but it's suitable for all the family. As you can see, there's picnic benches. So if you want to bring a picnic along, you can do. There is an on-site cafe as well called Kingfisher Cafe. So we're going to have a look around, and we really hope you enjoy this walk and maybe give you a bit more of an insight if you are thinking of coming along to the nature reserve. Please do consider subscribing. Please do give the video a thumbs up, and like I say, we really hope you enjoy this. This is Kingfisher Cafe. It's got seating inside as well as outside. Really nice little cafe. I'd imagine in the summer it probably gets super busy outside because everybody's going to want to sit and look over the lake. They've got some local produce and bits and pieces here for sale, and they've got a choice of different things, hot drinks, cold drinks, things you can have to eat. So it's just a nice little cafe. As you can see here, it's not huge, but this outdoor seating bit is the bit where everyone wants to be because you get such a fantastic view over the lakes. Now, the thing that we would recommend bringing, especially if you are into your wildlife and bird spotting, is some binoculars, because all the way around there are birds nesting, and also in the trees. There's kingfishers here, there's newts, so all kinds of wildlife. But if you really want to obviously have a really good look across to the other side of the lake to have a look to see what's there, definitely bring some binoculars along, because there is lots of interesting bird life that obviously not getting picked up in this video. So yeah, I would recommend, if you've got a good pair of binoculars, definitely bring them along. So it's roughly 1 mile to walk around all of the reserve, and it's pretty easy walking. There are also bird hides as well as you walk around, so a few bird hides. So we will go and have a look in some of those as well, see if we can see anything on the other side, either nesting or out on the water. But as you can see, maybe if it's been raining, possibly some good walking boots or some wellies. But I mean, this is April, so I can imagine June, July, August, when it's really hot, definitely going to be really dry and really easy to walk around. Oh look, there we go, we've got a Canadian goose there. So I think there's lots of geese nesting at the moment. He's obviously not on a nest, but he's just having a look around and probably wondering what we're doing as well. And here you can see we've actually got a nest being built just there. And then we've also got this bird table here. So let's have a look and see if anything comes down, because there is some seed. I'm not too sure how well it's actually going to pick up, but we'll have a go. So as you can see, there's lots of different areas to this nature reserve, and there's lots of geese nesting in various places at the moment. So again, you can't really see it on the camera, but there's some around the other side of those trees. But certainly if you had a pair of binoculars with you, or even just the naked eye always picks it up better than the camera, you'll certainly see lots of bird life. So as you can see, there are plenty of rest areas. There's another couple of benches there you can sit down, and I'd imagine this would be perfect habitat conditions for kingfishers. It says on the board as you come in that there are kingfishers here, so I'm pretty sure if you were to sit down again, maybe with the binoculars, you would see a kingfisher certainly coming through this bit, because it is perfect kingfisher environment. So we really do hope that you are enjoying this vlog. Please do give it a thumbs up. Please also do consider subscribing. We are going to another lakes, not so much a nature reserve, and definitely more inclusive. Dogs are allowed on the next one that we're going to. So if you do subscribe, there will be another one similar to this. But yeah, if you could give it a thumbs up as well, that would be really, really great. And now we're going to go into another of the bird hides and see on the other side of the lake if there's any wildlife, anything nesting, any birds, and have a look across to the other side from where we've just walked. And again, down here, this is the other part of that river where we were just now. And again, you can imagine this is again obviously good kingfisher territory. Again, some seating there on the right hand side, and some seating as well on the left. So you could sit there, maybe, you know, have something to eat, bring a picnic or a packed lunch, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you would see a kingfisher come through.